children, today we are going to start with chapter number 1, that is life in northern mountains. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the western Himalayas, eastern Himalayas and northeastern hills. So as you all know, northern boundary of India lies in the Himalaya. They are the highest mountain ranges in the world. इन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? Highest mountain ranges कहते हैं. Why? Because they are also known as adobe of snow. ये इतनी highest होती हैं और ये क्या क्या करती हैं? Snow covered रहती हैं throughout the year. The peaks of these mountains, they are covered with the snow throughout. Let's study about the western Himalayas now. First of all, I will tell you that जो Himalayas थे, they are formed 50 million year ago. और ये कैसे form हुए थे? Due to collision between Indian और Eurasian plates. ऐसे दो plates थी, एक थी Indian plate और एक थी Eurasian plate. इनके collision की वजह से क्या हुआ था? आपका क्या बन जाता है जब ये दोनों आंखें मिलती हैं और ये कोलाइड कर जाती है तो ये क्या बनाती हैं? हिमालयास बनती है, राइट? सो what we Himalayas can be divided into two parts, western and eastern Himalaya. The state of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Where do they lie? They lies in the western Himalaya. So if we talk about states like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and your Uttarakhand, where do they lie? They lies in the western Himalaya. Whereas the West Bengal, your Sikkim and northeast region, where they lies in the eastern Himalaya. So let's study about the main occupation. If we talk about the main occupation of the people in the mountainous area, that is farming, rearing sheep and goat and handicraft. So what most of the people live in the valleys and grow few subsistence crop like rice, maize, vegetable fruits. If you to check the soil erosion, what they practice terrace farming method. So in this, houses have sloping roof that the snow can slide off easily. देखो कैसे होती है? स्लोपिंग रूफ होती है जिससे जो स्नो है वो इजिली गल जाए, राइट? नाउ दे बिल्ड स्मॉल हाउसेज विद लोकल मटेरियल अराउंड देयर फील्ड. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द फर्स्ट स्टेट, दैट इज जम्मू एंड कश्मीर एंड लद्दाख, द यूनियन टेरिटरी दैट लाइज एक्सट्रीमली north of India. These are mountainous places famous for their natural beauty and they have been rightly called the heaven of the earth. And Srinagar is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. And Leh is the capital of Ladakh. और Leh किसकी capital है आपकी? Ladakh. If we talk about the land surface, the land surface of the place is made up of what? High mountains, several valleys, and the Indus, Jhelum, Chenab flow through this area. And there are several lakes here. अगर बात करें बुल्लर लेक की, ये फ्रेश वाटर लेक है, ये लार्जेस्ट फ्रेश वाटर लेक है आपका. एंड वी हैव दाल एंड नागिन, दे आर द फेमस लेक्स इन कश्मीर. यू विल फाइंड मेनी हाउस बोट इन दिस लेक्स. अगर हम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर की बात करें, यहाँ पे आपको हाउस बोट देखने को बहुत मिलेगी, राइट? द क्लाइमेट ऑफ कश्मीर एंड लद्दाख इज वेरी कोल्ड. दे कीप देमसेल्फ वार्म विद कांगरी. एक स्मॉल पॉट है विद बर्निंग कोल इन इट एंड दे कीप देम इनसाइड देयर क्लोथ्स. अपने क्लोथ्स के अंदर रखते हैं. During summer season, if we talk about Kashmir, people do farming and what they produce rice, maize and rajma over there. They grow fruits. Fruits कौन से grow करते हैं? Like your apple, peaches, cherries, walnuts and kesar. They also rear sheep and goats for wool. If we talk about during winter season, the people stay at home and make handicrafts from wood, brass, silver and paper. Kashmir's men and women wear firans and salwar over here, and what they eat? Rice, fish and vegetables. So what they speak? Kashmiri, Dogri, Ladakhi and Urdu. What they drink? Special tea. What do we call that tea? That is your kheva. Jammu Kashmir have several tourist attractions like Nisan Garden, Salimar Garden, Gulmarg, Pahalgam, Amarnath Cave, Vaishno Devi Temple, your Hazarbal and Saha Hamdam Mosque. Now Himachal Pradesh. Let's study about Himachal Pradesh. It is the state that is situated where? In the middle Himalaya. What we call it? Himachal Ranges. Its capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla and it is famous hill station everyone visit when at the time of the vacations, and there are many tourist places like Kullu and Manali, that is famous valley, and the other places are Kasauli, Solan, Chel or Kufri. Now if we talk about Dalhousie and Dharamsala, they are the famous hill station. और हम बात करेंगे कारीजार in Chamba district called mini Switzerland due to its natural Jwalamukhi temple in Kangra district is famous. So Dashera is famous festival of Kullu. People, they grow crops like rice, maize and wheat. And we have the orchards also like apples of apricot, plums, peaches. And many people rear what? Sheep and goats over here. If we talk about the people of Himachal Pradesh, what they make? Beautiful handicrafts of what? Wood, woolen, shawls, blanket and carpet. The main language is Hindi and the men wear what? Long skirts with tight pajamas. And what do women wear? Kurta, pajamas and scarves. The men also wear a colorful cap. And Nati, if we talk about, it's a famous dance of Himachal Pradesh. Next is your Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is also divided into two parts. First is Pauri region and another is Stevie region. So the state was created when? On 19th November 2000. Earlier it was part of Uttar Pradesh. Uttarakhand comprises of Garhwal and Kumaon hills. And Mussoorie is the beautiful hill station. In Garhwal it is called Queens of Hills. And Nainital, वो आपका कहाँ का है? वो आपका कुमाऊं region का, right? So Dehradun is situated in Doon Valleys and it is the capital of Uttarakhand. And we have two capital of Uttarakhand, one summer and another is winter. The main occupation of the people of Uttarakhand is farming and rearing of animals and goats. Rice, wheat, vegetables are the main crop of the people of Uttarakhand. Right? There are many tribes, those who are living in this region. Next is the Eastern Himalayas. Now, our next type of Himalayas, that is Eastern Himalaya. I have told you about the Western Himalaya. Now Sikkim, it's a small state of Eastern Himalaya. It has high mountains and deep valleys. Kanchenjunga is the third highest peaks in the world. And Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim and people grow rice, wheat, maize, barley, potatoes over. Now the Sikkim state is famous for orchards over here. If we talk about Sikkim state, it is famous for orchards. Oranges and apples are the main fruits that are grown in these orchards. Now weaving and carrying and handicrafts, these are the famous cottage and small scale industries in the state. इनकी जो rank है वो highest है in production of cardamom in India. The Lapchas and the Bhutias, they are the original inhabitants of Sikkim. People speak Sikkimese, Nepalis and Lapchas. They wear beautiful what? Hand woven clothes over here. And women wear what? Long skirts, what we call it Baku. West Bengal, only the northern part of West Bengal is the mountainous region. अगर हम northern part की बात करें तो वो mountainous region है, right? Darjeeling is famous hill station of India. It is also known for high quality tea and it is connected by rail with Siliguri. और जो रेल जर्नी है फ्रॉम सिलीगुड़ी टू दार्जिलिंग वो क्या है बहुत फैसिनेटिंग है. नाउ नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न हिल स्टेट. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न हिल स्टेट वी हैव 7 स्टेट्स इन विच वी लाइज अरुणाचल प्रदेश, असम, मेघालय, मणिपुर, त्रिपुरा और नागालैंड. वी कॉल इट 7 सिस्टर स्टेट ऑल्सो. फर्स्ट आई विल टेल यू अबाउट अरुणाचल प्रदेश, राइट. इसको हम लैंड ऑफ राइजिंग सन भी कहते हैं एंड इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ Eastern Himalaya ranges, Itanagar its capital, right? Brahmaputra river flows through here and it enters India from Arunachal Pradesh, which means land of rising sun. We have traditional method of agriculture here, that is jhoom, and it is a kind of shifting cultivation. और इंडिया की largest जो आपकी मिनिस्ट्री है वो क्या है, कहाँ है? तवांग में. Next is Assam. If we talk about Assam, it lies in the foothills of the Himalaya. The northern hilly tract is fertile and forested. The Brahmaputra is the main river जो flow करती है through it. And the farming is the main occupation over here. They grow rice, jute, cotton, sugarcane, oilseeds, potato and tea. And tea gardens are also found on the slopes of it. Right? Handloom, bamboo, cane products are popular industries in Assam. The people of Assam, what they speak? Assamese. And women wear long skirt called Mekhla. And Buihu is the famous festival of Assamese over here. The capital of Assam is Dispur, and Manas and Kaziranga are the famous wildlife sanctuary over here. Next is Meghalaya. Meghalaya means a daub of clouds. It is the hilly state. Garo, Khasi, Jaintia hills are the part of the state. Shillong is the capital and the state has what? Wet climate. And Cherrapunji and Masingrao are the wettest place in the world. Majority of the people in Meghalaya are tribes. Garo and Khasi are the major tribe. Each tribe speaks its own language and observes its own customs. Manipur. It has been called the Jewel of India by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It's a very beautiful state which is situated in this side of the hills. Now, there are many lakes in Manipur and Manipuri dance is famous all over the world, right? The state has made A great progress in agriculture. Vishnu temple, Loktak temple are the famous places. Handloom क्या है? Biggest industry है मणिपुर की. We had Cable Lamjao, the floating national park. They are the great attraction of Manipur. ठीक है, जो आपका केबल लामजाओ फ्लोटिंग आपका पार्क है, नेशनल पार्क है, वो एक सबसे क्या है, बड़ा अट्रैक्शन है. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट त्रिपुरा, स्मॉलेस्ट स्टेट इन हिल्स एंड वैलीज, अगरतला इसकी कैपिटल है. What do people on the hilly practice here? Jhum cultivation. What they grow? Fruits and trees over here. And what they rear? Pigs and poultry. Handloom, handicrafts and bamboo articles are the chief cottage industries over here. So most of the people, what they speak Bangla and your Kokbrok languages. If we talk about Mizoram, it's a land of hill and valleys. Aizawl इसकी capital है. And the people of Mizoram are called Bizos. They are tribal people. Most of them live by farming. What they grow? They grow rice, maize, potatoes, ginger, and your tobacco. They also grow what? Banana and pineapple. Bamboo and cane articles are famous handicrafts of Mizoram. If we talk about Nagaland, it's a hilly state. It is a homeland of Naga people. Kohima is the capital and Naga dance is famous. If we talk about dance with colorful clothes decorated with shells, bones, feathers and horns, rice, maize, millets and oranges. They are grown here. Nagas wear shawl of different designs. They are also called good craftsmen, and what they make them also. Right? This was all about the chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.